Claude can now make charts and diagrams just by prompting it. I tried to be clever and gave it a complicated, chart description kind of prompt to make a chart, and it was just useless. I was trying to make a chart about this latest update, and I got this crap. So then I tried again with a different style of chart, and I got this. So I had to go back to the basics, what you should have done all along. And I just said, can you make a really interesting looking diagram that is, because this last one was too scientific, it needs to be more visually interesting for the average person can learn about AI. And it made this, which then has this wonderful interactive chart saying, there's 3 ways you can keep a visual before it's gone: copy an image for your notes, download an SVG or a HTML, or save it as a full artifact, persistent, shareable, and ready to iterate on. And then you can hit next, and it changes the graphic. This is so cool. And then you're up to, if you go from start, if you know from the start you want something persistent, a tool, an app, a document to share, ask Claude to create an artifact instead. Artifacts are permanent, shareable from day one. Custom visuals are for thinking, artifacts are for keeping. And you can literally click on these dots to see a little animation, and Claude builds it live. It you can adjust. What's it say? Click and drag to explore. It's alive. I don't think I can drag this, but click buttons, drag sliders. It's saying it makes an interactive element. So it's not just making a quick image for you. It potentially is making something really cool. It's a living part of the chat. And then it goes on. This is all describing this new feature, by the way, this chart, graphic, diagram, I don't know what you call it. It's not saved automatically like breath on glass, which is a fun way to describe it. Custom visuals are ephemeral by default. Like a whiteboard sketch, they live in line in the conversation and aren't saved when the chat moves on. Think of them as thinking tools, not finished files. And if we go to the next step, it's talking about what we're at before, the 3 methods you can do. You can copy it as an image, you can download it as an SVG or a HTML, or you can save it as an artifact. And then finally, I think there's a final one, or go straight to the artifact. If you know from the start you want something persistent, like I said before, you can just go straight to the artifact. But this is what I'm saying. This wasn't available yesterday. This is a new tool, that is really cool. It's just built into Claude. So enjoy.